Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: why you should never use hydrogen gas in your car. Reasons for avoiding hydrogen gas in cars. Safety concerns. Hydrogen gas is highly flammable and can pose serious safety risks if not handled properly. The potential for leaks and explosions make it a dangerous choice for powering vehicles. Lack of infrastructure. The infrastructure for refueling hydrogen-powered vehicles is limited, making it inconvenient for everyday use. Unlike electric or gasoline vehicles, finding a hydrogen refueling station can be a challenge. Environmental impact. While hydrogen is often touted as a clean energy source, the process of producing hydrogen gas can be energy-intensive and not always environmentally friendly. The overall carbon footprint of hydrogen production and transportation may not be as green as initially thought. Cost considerations. Hydrogen fuel cells and infrastructure are expensive to develop and maintain, leading to higher costs for consumers. The initial investment in a hydrogen-powered vehicle may not be justified by the savings in fuel costs. Conclusion. In conclusion, while hydrogen gas may seem like a promising alternative fuel source, there are several reasons why it is not suitable for use in cars. Safety concerns, lack of infrastructure, environmental impact, and cost considerations all contribute to the argument against using hydrogen gas as a fuel for vehicles. It's important to consider these factors when making decisions about the future of transportation. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more informative content. Stay safe on the roads.